Hi dear students, this is Ms. T. M. Rahini. Today I am going to teach you class 7th English. The topic of the poem is The Computer Swallowed Grandma. It's a poem. The author is anonymous. Anonymous is we don't know the author of this poem. Before moving to the poem, I'll just explain the overall story. Actually, a poet, he is a small boy. He is chatting with his grandmother in computer. Suddenly, grandmother was disappeared. So, he wrote this poem. This is the first stanza. The computer swallowed grandma is, honestly it's true, she pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. I have already told you, this is grandma, she is texting in a computer, suddenly she was disappeared from the view. The computer swallowed grandma. So this small little boy is thinking that the computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly it's true. She pressed control and enter. Actually the real one is she pressed control and enter, so she was disappeared from the view and disappeared from the view. Then moving to the next stanza, it devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by worm. Now this child, this poet was at a deep sad mood. He was in a sad mood. So he is thinking that he may caught by virus or eaten by worm. Then the third stanza, I have searched through the recycle bin. Actually, we will search the deleted items in the recycle bin, right? So, likewise, he is also searching his grandmother in a recycle bin. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I found. He also searched his grandmother in all the files, but he did not find her anywhere. Then the fourth stanza, in desperation is he don't have hope to find his grandmother. I asked Jeeves my search to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Actually, Jeeves is one of the mechanic engineer. He asking to Jeeves my search to refine. He want this Jeeves to refine, to search in his computer. The reply from his was negative, but this Jeeves also can't able to find him. Not a thing was found online. Nothing was found in online. Then the last stanza, stanza 5, he was in a deep sorrow that he can't able to find his grandmother. So, if inside your inbox, he is asking to us, if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see. If you have seen my grandmother, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. He is requesting us to email back his grandmother. Shall we recap again? The first one is he is telling about his grandmother, and he was in deep sorrow and he thought that grandmother was eaten by worm, and he is searching in a recycle bin. Then he asked help to Jeeves, but he also can't able to find her. Then at last he is asking to us. Thank you dear students. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.